Fudge. If you want something addicting like crack but so dirt cheap, this creamy peanut butter fudge fits right in. Alrighty, first up, we place a medium non-stick saucepan over medium-high heat at 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Now we add 2 cups of white sugar and 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, and finally, 1 can of evaporated milk. Now we stir until butter is melted. We then reduce heat to medium and let it cook on its own until temperature reaches 234 degrees Fahrenheit. During that time, we just stir it occasionally. Reduce heat if needed to prevent spilling. While waiting, let's prepare the rest. Line a 9 by 13-inch pan with wax or parchment paper. To do that, we need to spray the bottom of the pan with cooking spray or grease it with oil. In a large mixing bowl, add 1½ cup of creamy peanut butter, 1½ teaspoon of vanilla extract, and our very final ingredient, 1 jar 7 ounces of marshmallow cream. Just set it here for now. Alright, let's check to see where we're at. 226.8, almost there. 234.1, perfect. Here we go. I bet there's a lot of things going on in there right now. Now we just stir to mix up until the marshmallow is completely melted and incorporated. Just like that, silky smooth. Let it cool down completely to set. Once it is set, place a cutting board on top and invert it out. Just like that. Beautiful. Time to cut to any size you like. My preferred size is 14 by 10. I think it's a perfect bite size for me. To have clean cuts, you may use cooking spray on your knife and wipe the knife off when needed. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed the video and love this peanut butter fudge as much as anyone I know does. Before you go, show me some love with like, subscribe, and your comments. I love to read them. Thank you so much. You have a wonderful day. Maybe head to your kitchen and start making these. Seriously, they are like crack. See you next time. Bye bye.